Hey guys, it's Emily here. So as you can see, I have a Butsy box here. If you don't know what Budsies is, basically they take a drawing that you have and turn it into a stuffed animal, which is pretty cool. So of course, as you probably figured out, I turn a drawing into a plush, but not just a plush, a Halloween plush. So this drawing was actually a drawing that my fiance did, and I also have it as a tattoo. See if I can show you guys. It's this. The camera's kind of far away, but it's this one right here. It's a ghost. I did have the bow to be orange instead of blue. I had mine being blue on me because my favorite color is blue. But this one I made orange for obviously Halloween. Pumpkin's orange, and that's what Halloween's about, is orange. So, yeah. So obviously it's a ghost, like I just said, and just to go through this, because you probably are wondering, if you're watching this video, you either want to order one or you have one that is being made. So I got the sneak peek option, and I also gave them 20 bucks extra because I changed my design about 4 times maybe. Yeah, so basically what happened is I did a description, a really long description of what I wanted. The first one they did, they messed up on it. It was not like I described, which is okay because I would have asked to get something else changed anyways. So they made the arms shoulder for me because they were kind of really long. So they made them shoulder, and then they fixed the mouth because I wanted the mouth to be colored in, and for some reason they didn't color it in. Well, didn't sew it in. So it was just like empty, and it looked really weird. And it was like a circle, and I wanted it more oval. So either way, I had them change things. But I had them change it 2 more times, and then a 3rd time, which that's when I had to pay 20 bucks. Because they kept messing up on the eyelashes. They had this one style of eyelashes they did I really liked it, but when I told them to do it what I thought was the last time, they made them look really wonky. I think 2 people was working on it, because the one eyelash would be the holes to the top and the other lashes would be like the holes in the bottom, and it just looked really bad because I'm probably gonna sell these, and I didn't want people to think, why is the eyelashes goofy? So I decided to just pay and redo it again. So this was the last one that I did for it. I was doing this since July or June. It was something like that, and it's September already. So it was pretty crazy. I did get, they rush shipping. Which kind of didn't, so it basically means like they will work on your Butsy crickle, even though mine took a long time because I made them change stuff. But if you really want yours and want yours to look a certain way, like you're really into detail, do get the sneak peek option, because it would definitely help you out, because if you don't, then you don't get to see what your Butsy looks like until it delivers to your door. So I definitely recommend that, and also rush shipping because it will take a long time. So that is my advice if you have one that is being made, or you're gonna have one that is that you want to be making soon and you're thinking about it. And also you can add the rush shipping too, because when I placed an order, I forgot to add the rush shipping, and they were able to do that for me. So if you forget to add, like you want a sneak peek or whatever, they just send you a PayPal invoice, and you just pay it, and there you go. So yeah, so I'm gonna open this up right now. Enough of talking. So I hope that guys, I hope that helps you. So yeah, so now I'm gonna actually open it, and I'm super excited. I got this before I went to work, but I didn't have time to open it. So I was excited to get home and see this, and I'm kind of nervous. Oh my goodness, because this took so long, and I can't wait to show everyone on my Instagram. By the way, my Instagram is in our town of Halloween, so follow me because I'll be selling these. So hopefully you guys can see it. So here comes a little piece of paper. So this is what I sent in. So this is the ghost. drawing. And then I sent this in. I have a plush that my coworker made me. It's a ghost plush with the bow, but its face is different. So I was just showing them that I wanted the bow to be like this, so part of the ghost top will be like out and stuff. So that is what I wanted. So they send that for you. So here's the wrapping. Oh, they have it in blue. Aww. So here it is. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. So here she is. I named her Opal because that is October's birthstone. And I think that would be a lot cute to name instead of like just October or Boo or something, just something more unique. So I named her Opal. So here she is. So basically this is what she looks like. Very, very cute. She has a long ghost tail. And then her little hands. And then this is her bow that she has. And her little ghost top and the mouth and everything. They do have the eyelashes not matching up with each other. If you guys can see, you can see this one's more like perfect in a way and this one's more down, but it is what it is. This is like the closest that they got to it, so I'm really happy about it. I think it's really cute. Her head is really big though. That's one thing that's kind of like, whoa, her head's kind of like huge, but it kind of works for her though, and I'm glad I had them make the arms a little bit shorter because before it was kind of like out like to here, to like this size, it was out to here, which probably would look cute either way, but I think it looks a lot cuter that she just has small ghost's arms, so it doesn't like, you know, it's crazy sticking out and stuff. So yeah, I think they did a good job from what I sent in the description to them. Obviously this time the only thing I had a difficult time with was the eyelashes, but everything else they did really perfect. So yeah, my image was a little bit different than this. I would want to probably not like so long and stuff, and probably like a smaller size, but this is the size that they do it. So they don't like they actually make bigger sizes of this, but they don't have any smaller size, which I like the small plushes, but I think this is really cute though. I don't know, the only thing that bothers me is the body. Just because, like I said, I would have the body a little bit shorter, like probably cut to here, so it's not so much long, but I do think it does look cute though, like this. So, yeah, I really, really like it, and then it just has a little Budsies tag on it, and it says, your Budsie is individually made with tender, loving care. It celebrates your unique creativity, and we hope it becomes your friend for life. So that's what it says. And then they also send you an email. It was basically someone holding a board, and it said, thank you, Emily. And they were just like saying thank you to me and stuff, which was kind of cool and more personalized. And this came from Florida. I live in Pennsylvania, so it's kind of close. So this, as soon as they sent me the email, it was shipped. It came like really, really quick. I was really surprised that it came today, because I was like, wait, it probably shouldn't come. Like my Hot Topic Oreos don't even come that fast. But I think it was because it was from Florida, and that's probably why. But yeah, I think she's really, really cute. This is Opal, and this is the plush that I will be selling soon, and I'm super excited to be selling her. I will post this on Friday the 13th and take orders from there. So if you follow me on my Halloween account, then that is when I'll be posting the details and everything. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope this helped you for ordering one. I do definitely recommend getting one from this company. It is pricey, that's the only thing, but again, I added the sneak peek onto and rush shipping and stuff. If you don't want to add all that stuff to it, just make sure you place an order ahead of time, that you have like a 2-month span before you would need this plush. Like if you're getting it for someone's birthday or whatever, just make sure you give yourself 2 months in advance to replace this Odo because just in case it doesn't come in time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.